Hello, this is Tom Zorinskis, creator of Truespel phonetics, and this screener practices spelling of nonsense words as I say them, and I will say 9 nonsense words and we'll fill them in. You try to fill them in as you hear them on a separate piece of paper. Here are all the vowels with examples of the vowels. There are 17 vowels and 23 consonants. The vowels are tricky. The consonants are pretty stable. The G here shown with a tilde in front. The tilde indicates Truespel. G's are always hard. And there are 2 THs sounds, both spelled by the letters TH, but one is th and the other is th. And there is a j sound spelled ZH, which is a bit unusual. And to show stress in a word, stress is on the first syllable but goes after a double consonant. And here's the way you show a 2-letter consonant to double it. That one's double, that one's double. This has a double consonant in it when not stressed, so you have to stress the T. And there you have j stressed. Okay, let's go for the first word. I'll say it. You try to spell it. Podder. 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 And I shall spell that pa-der. Pretty simple on that. Rawmen. Rawmen. Raw min. He-she. 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 He. Stress on the she. Buvor. 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 Vor. How about chafoy? Chafoy. Oops. Foy. Did I say foy? I meant foul. Foul. Whoops. Foul. Not much luck with that one. Gerlach. 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 Stress on the lack. Thus Jose. Thus Jose. Thus Jose. Thus Jose. Not a Z on the end, that's an S on the end. Taijwu. 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 Stress on the woo. And the last one is yoth. Yoth. One syllable, yoth. That's the breathy TH. So those contain all 40 of the phonemes. 17 vowels, 23 consonants. Podder, Rawman, He-she, Buvor, Chafau, Gerlach, Thus Jose, Taijwu, and Yoth. Good practice of Truespel.